Now, what they don't know is, this one in my left hand, that's store-bought. This one's the homemade. So they won't know, I will. I know which one's which, like I stated previously. He doesn't, and nobody else does. Which one you want to try first? See if you can gum it down before I can.
The softest one.
I don't know which one that is. I mean, it's beef jerky, and we got no teeth. I mean, come on now, neither one of them's gonna be soft.
I'm gonna try that one of them. That's the softest one.
One of these?
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you that one.
All right.
And I'll take one too.
Jesus Christ.
Told you.
Like fucking cowhide.
Like leather. That's what these professional people make it like. It's like fucking like leather. It bends. Tears apart, and that's about the only way I can do it. Mm-hmm.
Big down through them hard for that one.
I ain't got much flavor. It's supposed to be teriyaki.
Yeah, I can taste it.
A little bit. Wow. A little painful.
Well, got them.
Got mine first. He said, fuck this.
Fuck, I still got that much of it.
You gotta bite with the grain. And it's gonna be almost a half solid piece when you swallow it anyway.
Remember what that's gonna be like when I shit it out?
Exactly what it looks like right now.
Probably. Better shot that butthole real good.
That's alright. It's better than trying to eat popcorn.
Yeah.
Now, but
Got good flavor to it.
I can feel the cut on my gums now.
Supposed to get my teeth in. Hell, David's not appointment. Ain't too far along. That is about 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
I think.
Sounds about right. Yeah, that'll give them time to color them, grind them down, make them look as real as possible.
3.5 weeks.
Well, not close enough.
I was glad though that I got a letter from my insurance.
Yeah.
And it said they submitted the cost of it, for the uppers and lowers.
Yeah.
And they proved it. Cool. That's what I was worried about. I didn't know if they covered teeth or not. But they kept telling me over there it did. Man, I don't know. I don't think it does.
You're still chewing it.
What the hell?
At this point, I would just toss it out.
Getting all the flavor out of it.
So basically, you're sucking the flavor off the meat.
Pretty much. Keeping your mouth long enough to fits and soaks into it.
So you're pretty good at sucking on meat then, huh?
Well, you are. You got it down already. Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Hey, $20 is $20. I get her done. Ain't no messing around.
But
Now don't be picturing your best friend.
you got worked up enough to swallow, man. Well, I don't want to swallow that chunk.
If you're swallowing chunks, there's something wrong.
Damn. Crap. Yep, goddamn, I'm gonna cut that shit in about a week.
Yeah.
That was fixed. I got that more that snapper just about ready to where I put it back under the damn thing and use it.
That's good. I still got, hopefully that part comes in tomorrow. And if it does, I'm just going to go ahead and do bull shocks and everything all in one day just to get it done and over with.
Hey, we're still recording.
Yeah?
Why don't you get this side done, take it for a run, see if I cured the problem on that one side first.
Alright. And I guess that'll work. And then we have the other one.
Yeah, save the parts for the other side when it warms up.
Well, the thing is everybody suggests that, you do them both at the same time so they both have the even amount of wear on them. Especially because of that one rubber piece on the other side, the upper isolator, that thing looked worse than the one we just pulled off of there.
I will see how that fucking isolator, as long as it's still in one piece in there, still doing its job.
Yeah, but honestly, I still don't understand the whole point of charging 60, 70, even $100 for one of them things whenever it's just a piece of rubber and you can literally take any kind of rubber, even rubber off a tire, and put it on there and be perfectly fine.
Yeah.
It's just rubber. That's all it is. Rubber. You can make your hell. You could take an old tire, cut a couple of rings that fit on there just right, push it up on there, and boom, perfectly fine.
Cut the piece in or two about like that. Just lay it up in there and just pop it through.
That's what I'm saying. I don't get why it's so expensive.
So I gotta tell her before you put all that shit on, take that torsion board bolt
Yeah,
out.
take that off and do that.
Before you do that, have a damn jack underneath that fucking assembly. Before you take it loose, you can let that fucker down.
Yeah.
Little by little, instead of having if it drops all at once, I will tear it one of the brick lines.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Flexible one.
Yeah. Well, you're bound and determined to swallow it, ain't you?
Mm-hmm. That'll work out, though, finally.
Yeah. I mean, well, you've been without teeth less time than I have, so I know how to work around it. I was gonna say something and I ain't gonna say it because it's gonna sound even worse.
I still eat potato chips, corn chips,
I do too.
everything, yeah.
The hardest thing to eat is, of course, beef jerky and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But
If I take one of them sausage patties or something like that, I gotta break it up to eat it.
I don't.
I stick it in my mouth, I can't bite a piece off.
I mean,
My damn gums won't come together before I know.
well, see, that's what I was saying. I got years ahead of you.
Yeah.
So.
See right there?
Can't see your lips in the way.
Pour it out as they come. Yours touch? I mean, your gums touch? I can't see it.
Right here. Right up here in the front.
Mine don't. My jaw just will not let them go down.
Mine, see, the way mine is where my jaw has like this much of a gap whenever it closes up in the front.
Yeah.
So it makes them dentures look a little weird whenever I'm, biting down. But I mean, it works. I cannot eat with the dentures in. Tried it. I can't feel anything. That's the whole point. And then if my tongue gets in the way, I don't want to bite down too hard trying to bite on something. They're like, oh crap, I'm missing my tongue now. I'll tell you what though, I still got a strong bite though. Well, you ready for the other one?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, and I'll get us what I think might be the softest one.
Tear a small piece off.
I don't think there's no softer one.
Look, I'll be sitting
That's a
here
hard
till
one.
tomorrow trying to do it.
Take what you can off of that one. I wouldn't go for that smaller end though. And then I'll
I might be able to do it.
You would
try to get one that's about even. There. bigger piece. The main reason this one looks a little overdone because it's thinner cut of meat. They use like, because it whenever you dehydrate it and everything, it always goes down to about a quarter of what it actually was beforehand. So this, they used an awful big, thick cut of beef in order to make that. This was about twice the size of that when I started.
Mama, do you know that?
No, it was about that thick. You know, follow the directions, did your time and everything like that, exactly how it's supposed to be done.
Miles after miles. Do you know that song?
Yeah, I used to make a lot of beef jerky. I had that one batch I made. I don't know what the hell brand of shit it was. I put in and it was something.
You know, no, I ate the hell out of it though. There we go. Finish my piece.
Look, when you guys were little, like I used to make fucking turnovers, you know, with a fruit in, and all kinds of shit like that.
I mean, I could probably do that. I mean, it'd be about the same method. I just could use parchment paper instead. For this, I used one of them.
Now, what flavor was that?
They're both teriyaki.
I don't even taste it.
Well, it's homemade, so it's not gonna be as strong. But you can still taste some of it, just not as strong as it should be. Does it have a little bit of sweetness to it?
Yeah.
That's the honey in it. And a little bit of brown sugar. That's why I got the color. Yeah, and then that one is basically just all chemical.
Yeah.
And this one is just all, I wouldn't exactly say all natural stuff, but it ain't got preservatives or nothing like that. That's why that was more pronounced taste, this one's not. But which one was actually easier to eat?
That first one. No, actually the last one.
Uh-huh.
So it's gone already.
Yeah. That one felt like I was chewing on a piece of leather.
Yeah.
This one, it felt like what beef jerky should. You know, yeah, it's dehydrated a little bit hard, but it's still manageable.
You cut it the long way?
I cut random.
Oh, I always cut them, you know, when they're sticking in it, I cut it across.
Yeah.
That way it's not got like grain in it.
Yeah, well,
You
see
can
the way.
take one- You can take one of it as hard as it is.
See the way they cut this one. They cut it angle like this, and the other ones where it's, you know, long like this. So for this one, you'd have to bite it like this one and not eat it like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, mine,
I cross slice them all.
you can tell, you can actually see the grain structure just looking at mine straight out.
Yeah.
It's just in random spots, and it was a cut of meat. It was well, I forgot what it was, but
Yeah. When I get mine done, you can take a piece and bend it, and it'll break right off of the grain straight across.
oh, this one's kind of like that too.
Yeah.
But not as good. All right, well that's it for our taste test. Now we gotta wait for them.